Hello everyone, Jana is here, and now I'm going to do a technical analysis of gold for today, 26th of January. So there will be no setup, and I will explain to you why and what I'm expecting from today. So it is already 26th of January for me, and so it's a new day, and I will be waiting for the news later for American dollar, and so my entry points will be before the news event. I will not be home before though, so there will be no other orders from me, but I hope I will be back before the news event happens. Okay, so I will be able to place the orders. So just in case, telling you who follows me in Telegram channel, if you will not see the signals my orders, that means I'm not at home, unfortunately. So okay, let's see what happened today. I will explain to you. I have some new levels, as you can see here, and I'm going to show you what I am looking at. First of all, so that's our day, and pretty much is expectation, right? So what I was talking about yesterday happened today, and well, okay, it was yesterday. This day was yesterday already, right? So because it's a new day already for me. Well, it's night time, and so I will mix up a little bit with the words, but you understand what I'm talking about. The trading day, which just closed, and the new one's opened. For some of you, of course, it's depends where you are. It could be new day, it could be still a previous day. Anyway, so the expectation was from the previous video, right? We were right here, remember? And I was telling you that the gold is still going up, an uptrend, and expectation was that it will continue way up. And as I was saying to you, I'm not going to place the buy, or I will not buy straight away, because we still can go down, right? Because that's how it works, okay? You can't be 100% sure about anything in Forex, on anything really. But anyway, so we had also pin here, and I was telling you that pin will be covered, so that's what happened today. And we had a good trade, so you saw it also. It was live, that trade. I had few other trades during the day, but if you left both orders open, I did not active, I did not say cancel the buy order, then you should have catch this move too. And I didn't say cancel because the expectation was the continuation of uptrend, just as I was telling you last night. Okay, and the expectation of walking this area and that area. So it's exactly what happened, right? So now why I'm not going to place the orders, because we have no area at this moment, right? There is no consolidation, nothing at this moment. It's just continue. It's slowing down a bit, but you see we have little top here. It's broke it slightly, and we have, like, let's say psychological 1950. So yes, it could go slightly to that price, but nobody knows where it's going to stop. It can stop anywhere, but let's say it could be 1950, it could be higher. At the same time, it could be correction again, right? So we can go back. My expectation would be, of course, not big moves, but just some slowing. But I can't right now to tell which area it's going to be, like it was previously. We had expectation of the areas. Well, right now I can't say because it might go a little bit down, it might go a little bit up, and then slow down, and then just stop, right? So that's why no trades tonight. But so what do we have here at this moment? So you see, guys, that was our previous channel. You see right now I have another one. Okay, so I don't want to just forget about this level for now. I just want to show you the previous channel I used. That was the channel, and if you look on the 4-hour time frame, so forget about this area. So here, right, it was moving right on the border of that level. So we had one pin, and then we had another pin, and we're still sitting in this channel, but it's broke today. And of course, after it's broke, the expectation was that we will be stopped by this level, but then you see it started to go back. So possibly I thought it will be just sitting a little bit in the area, and then who knows, either break out that channel level or break down, right? So even though, yes, the expectation was we will continue the way up. So that's why now I could to see, okay, so where this move could go and where it could stop. So that's why I draw this channel now. So we do have here support using all of these touches, so it's plus minus, could be see slightly higher using a bit of this pin. We have this pin, we have a few touches around here, so plus minus we do have a new channel, right? So and I have this resistance level, the trend level, also plus minus, so we can have it a little bit low, which touches one of the tops, then broke out a little bit here. Now we have pin here, touches, and that's where the expectation was that move could stop, right? So and it did stop at this moment, but you know that of course it is not guaranteed. We can put a little bit higher using this stop, or we can put even more higher using these two tops, right? So and who knows, even more high using the other top, but okay, it's a little bit too much at this moment. So but using just a little bit of those tops, that's why this move still can go and stop anywhere. Okay, so that's why I cannot place any other orders, and again I don't want to just like buy or anything in here, because yes, it can turn around, right? So that's why we do have a bit of possible this area where it could sit before the news I'm waiting for later. Okay, so this just wanted to show you the possible area. And from here, well, there will be few news tomorrow, and they could be moving quite well. I mean, today also we had quite good moves. We had like 100 pips down, and a bit more than expected with that move. A bit, you see, it's 250. It's quite big move. That's what I call big move. But my expectation was a little bit more, 100, and maybe just stay 100 and just sit wait a bit here. But no, it's broke out from the channel and made that other big move. So is that's usually you would expect a bit of a correction after such big moves, so either correction or some consolidation. So that's why I presume it could just consolidate here, and then with those news, the market reaction could be quite big. So I would be thinking like, again, could be about 200 something pips possibly, and either direction, right? Because we don't know what the news are going to bring and what the reaction will be, but we do have, you see that quite possible 200 pip move to the Fibonacci level I have here, still the 78, and it is around well, you can see 1971, right? So, and we do have the channel, that other channel level here, right? So that's why, yes, we can consolidate, and quite possibly we can move up a little bit higher, well, give the pin or something, and then slow down or something. But yes, my expectation would be we could make such a big move. And of course, on the other hand, once again, if we will be sitting in this area, who knows, like I'm saying, maybe through the Asian session it will continue a little bit higher if it didn't have enough, so whatever. But let's say right now we're here, so that's why I'll be looking from this area, and I'm looking, you see the times around here, so that's where should be the news should be coming. And so let's say from here another move back down again, so which is another, you see, 200 pips, the same, and the same level of the trend channel and the previous flat channel areas, so 200 up and 200 down. That's why I expect a possible consolidation here, right? So that's why I don't want to place any orders right now. So that's a little bit of technical overview from me, how I see it. I'm going to leave those channels, guys. I mean, I'm going to finish the streaming because nothing is going to happen, so there's no need to continue. Nothing to watch. Of course, like I showed you a bit move down, but we quite possible, depends what kind of news go, it can break, even going further, like let's say the 61 Fibonacci level back to that or somewhere in the middle. Of course, if that would happen, then I would have to change all the levels around here, like draw a new Fibonacci, because right now I'm still using that uptrend, right, downtrend, and this is looking at this as a correction of that downtrend. So that's why if we still have 78, I'm still using Fibonacci levels of that downtrend channel. So that's why we still have that area, so to go up to that. But of course, if the news, whatever the news, it might go even higher. I wouldn't be expecting if we will go higher to like go to 2000. I think until the next week FOMC, it's not going to make such a big move. But again, just want to try to warn you, for the long-term traders, you see I'm trading more scalping, short-term trading, so I don't go for very long trades, but just be careful if you like to go for longer ones and keep the trades open. You see, we've been going so long. I mean, if you think it's quite dangerous, right, to buy and then just sit on it and think we're going 2000 even more. So I just think that we need to get to FOMC and see what the Fed is going to say, and then see what the reaction of the market will be. But I mean, yes, we're still going up at this moment. But look, again, I did bring you this daily chart, so a bigger candles now. You see, you can see that we have pins. You see those pins? To me, it's a signal of that we want to turn around. Okay, so we are looking into turnaround. So that's how I see it. So just giving you a bit of my vision of it. Okay, so it's, for me, always the pins, the upside pins is just whatever pins, they show you the a bit of a direction. But like I'm saying, once again, of course, it might not happen straight away, but we're getting so close to that next week. So who knows what it could be. Just to be honest, at this moment, looking at all of this, it just feels like it's going to be pushed maybe a little bit more, and then it will be big drop. Because my expectation like that it should be big drop, big correction of this big move, which is just perfect inside the CC. We have that downtrend channel, and it's just perfect big correction. After that, we need a correction of this move, and then I will be able to change. So I will be removing these Fibonacci levels, right? And then I will use on this move to see where the correction of that big move will be. So at this moment, I don't want to do it. Let's just wait and see how much further we're going to go. But you just need to see the main picture, the big picture in expectation. That's why my expectation could be, if it will be falling, then it can go even further, because at this moment you see we're in the middle, we have 200 up and 200 down, but it might not hold. Okay, might not hold here, and of course at the same time might not hold there, except I think it probably should hold, because still that next week is going to be very important week. So I think next week will be huge moves, but who knows how the market react on those news we will have tomorrow. There will be some news also on Friday. So that's my view for now, guys. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, of course, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.